do a problem. And this was on my list here. Some time now, so let's get to this one. Converting a data structure or object into. Okay, yeah, I get this one. So we have some tree, and I just need to get back to its encode it to a string or serialize it to a string and deserialize it to that, okay. Maybe we could do some BFS, DFS. Okay, let's see. So we can do root here, right? So okay, so BFS will get me to I can get it to okay, let's do a basic BFS. So we'll have the actual array into a string. Can I convert an array to a string? I can, yeah. So I'll have the array like 2, 1, 3. Will BFS give me that actually? Oh, okay. Two, 1, 3. Okay, yes, fine. I'll do BFS. Okay. Now I can be given a string, which is gonna be in the form like 2, 1, 3. I'll I'll split it in like 2, 1, 3. So these are the values, and build a new tree. I don't know, tree definition, tree node. Okay. The problem is, how do I build the tree again? Well, if I do a BFS, I guess. I'm not sure exactly. Yeah, I think we could just use a queue and then process it in order. But the problem is, I don't know if it's like the order of the children and stuff. So let me first I need to know that this is underneath the 2. Okay, first we'll do tree here. Or let's do a queue. Alright, while queue. Join res by a comma. So we'll have a dequeue of root, right? So we'll do cur is equal to node dot or q dot pop left. If cur dot left. What if I add it both, and then if it's like none, I'm gonna represent it as like a star. So here I'll know to skip it. right? Is that right? Yeah, I can just pop. I'll just pop out of there. I can pop out and yeah. So let's say if cur else res.append a star. I will do like a we'll do a star and then so basically like one and like it'll be like 2 1 3 star star. Like I think there'll be multiple stars. Star for this one, star for this one. Like 2 stars here. So let me see what it looks like. So cur we'll just q dot append. Well, okay. Res dot append string of the cur dot value and q dot append let's just we'll do cur dot next, or it was like cur dot, we'll do q dot append cur dot left and root while q cur dot pop left if cur res dot append string cur dot value q dot append cur dot. Okay, let me just see what this looks like actually. Q or res. This probably is not gonna look correct. Yeah, 2 of each. So that's fine. But this is important because I have to like basically skip these. Like I skip a level, you know? But why does that matter though? Oh yeah, so I don't pop them out, I guess. Yeah, I don't want to pop these out basically. Like I want to maintain the current level I'm on. Like it basically like ensures that it won't go underneath this one. If it was underneath it, then it would be like there wouldn't be like any spacing between it. Okay, that's perfect. So let me just print let me see how that looks then. Okay. Yeah, that's perfect. That's exactly what I want. Okay. Then we can just do another BFS on the thing here. Do a Q. It's just the data dot split by the comma. I should return that. And then we'll call it root here. Data. Tree node, which is just the q.pop left. First off, if not data, return. Because I don't want it to add something that's nothing there. So q.pop left, that's a string, so let's convert this to an int. Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's the root, and then while q, basically cur is q.pop left. Now, we basically, if there's any directly underneath, it will be like without any of these. You know what I'm saying? So we'll do r dot like we're on this, right? Yeah. So cur dot val int, call this a node, tree node. Nice. Then that's it. Now if cur dot left dot val not cur dot left. If cur dot left does not, ooh shoot, not dot left. We're saying if wait, so okay, I should have another q. I need to pull from the thing. Yeah, I need to pull this, like I want this to be kind of a queue essentially. So let's call this like crap. Let's call this the queue. And then we're traversing down this, so we need to put this here. So the current is q.pop left. Yep, that makes more sense. And let's call this a root actually. It's more descriptive. R equals tree node, and then okay, let's call this something else. Let's call this the string. Okay, yeah. So then we basically cur.pop left, build the yeah, okay, makes sense. Now we need to assign the level to it. So we'll do if s dot left if f dot, okay, let's do this. L R right. So if L does not equal the star, then that is a direct descendant of the current level we're on. So we'll do that. So we should probably add q dot append the first. Let me create the node, tree node, which is the L dot, just L as an int, and put the node in. And before I even put that in the queue, I should probably put cur dot left equals the node, and basically do the same exact thing for the right. So r equals s dot right. No, there's no, wait, that doesn't make sense. No, pop left. We need to pull the pop left, yeah. we need to pull basically, okay, we're on this one, pop left, and basically just check we're on the same like parent. Like this is the parent, let's check the left two, you know, the two next values. If they're not like a star, then we know that it's the descend, these are the children of this parent here. So put the R here, R, and we'll put right here, and then put the node in the queue, because these guys will have potentially stuff there, right? Then return root. We have root. Let's call this R. Okay, perfect. Okay, queue.public, because okay, that's the wrong way. I should do S. Yeah, let's do S maybe. Yeah. Ah, shoot. Wait, that doesn't make sense. We should never have a star as the beginning. Okay, let's actually never add that. If not root, return. Yeah. What? Wait, why are we getting these stars? No. Oh, maybe it's because... Let me try this. Node R. R. Well, not R. These should be L. Node L. Okay, what am I doing? L, L, L. Why is everything L? These guys should be R. I'm so, like, washed, bro. Why is this returning a star? That does not make any sense, actually. Wait, what's happening? Isn't it this that's returned? Okay, we curved out pop left, then we did curved out left, curved out right. Append the star. Huh. Missing something here. Left, right, and the value. Yeah. If cur, yep. Else, then append the star. Then that. What am I missing? Pop left R. Okay, maybe I should probably. Oh, wait, hold on. I need the reference to this thing here, actually. Because this is I'm pretty sure it's a different. Like, I need to put this here. Because I'm just putting the individual node. I don't want just a node here. Yeah. Curved out right. Maybe that will fix it, because I want just the node here. There's no reference to anybody here. This one does. It's actually the current. That's the same thing. Aren't they pointing to the same object? Yeah. Wait, what if I'm not supposed? Okay, actually, let's not pop. Let's first peek. So, okay, let's peek if S of 0. That's gonna be at an infinite while loop, aren't we, though? Because we're never gonna pop those. Exactly, so we need to pop those. No, it's guaranteed to be popped. Yeah, we should pop them all the time. I'm missing something. I'm so close on what I am, bro. Come on. Bro, what could be possibly wrong here? Maybe the order? I think that would actually mess things up. Okay, problem is I'm still getting this weird, stupid... Who is returning just this? Oh, it's this one. Oh, example 1, right? Wait, what? Wait, this one's giving me just a star? That doesn't make any sense. Oh my god, bro. Are you dead ass? I wrote R twice. This is why you have to write your shit more descriptive. That's good enough. I think that's fine now, right? This is fine? What? No, this is weird. What is happening? This is really weird. Oh my god, that's why I'm returning the wrong thing. I'm supposed to return root. Stupid, bro. Yeah, there you go. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.